So yeah, I go through a lot of pineapple. I love it. That's why I bought a pineapple decoring tool. Well, hey buddy, guess what we're gonna do? Well, hey guys, nutrition's really important to me, so I eat lots of pineapple. And because of that, I bought one of these. It's a pineapple decoring tool, and it works awesome. It's a lot less work. You can get them for about $7 or $8. So I'm gonna share with you that today. And Mika's standing overhead watching, of course. She's going, "Oh, I can't wait, Daddy, I can't wait." YouTube's great. You can do a video about anything. First, we start with a good blade. Now, to tell if a pineapple's fresh or not and ready to eat, these will come out pretty easily. Any of the center pieces should come out. Then you know it's ripe and it's going to taste good. And it can get a little juicy and wet, so I like to put something down. Doesn't matter what they look like on the outside. What matters is how easily the inside pieces come out. That's how you can tell if a pineapple's ready or not. And if they're really ripe, you can just take your hand and just twist this top off. But then they might be a little bit on the too ripe side. Yeah, I love my pineapple. Okay, y'all got a good view? Try to do this without putting our hands in the way. So what you do, see that dark center? You just center this tool right on that corner. It's a lot less mess. It's a lot easier than trying to slice it from the sides. And I don't go down the whole way. I like to do segments because I like to put the extra in a Ziploc bag. If you go too far, it just gets too messy. Yeah, this is absolutely perfect ripeness. I do it in about 3 segments. I found out that the critters love pineapple too. And I'll show you that when I get done. When you get to the bottom, you want to put your hand on the bottom so you can feel how close you get to it. There's lots of good juice in there. You don't want to go through. When you start feeling the edge come in, you know it's time to stop. Still makes a mess, but it's not near as messy as if you have a knife and you cut the sides off. It's just a lot better situation. There you go. A bag of pineapple. Now I'll eat this today. Pineapple's got lots of good benefits. If you have MS, it'll reduce the swelling of the water in the brain, for starters, because pineapple is a natural diuretic. Lots of good natural sugars. And sticky. So what you're left with is a beautiful pineapple core that you can use for tropical mixed drinks. Slip a straw in there and you'll be alright. If you're really careful and use a good platform or cutting board, you won't have to worry about too much mess. And this comes apart for easy cleaning. And my favorite cleaning material is rubbing alcohol. It cuts anything and everything. So, I'll leave them another pineapple today. Here's what happened to the one I had yesterday. They chewed every possible thing off of it. It was soft or juicy, even some of the leaves. And here's what's left of the bottom. That's all that's left. I've walked around. This is all they left behind. From this to that. You gotta be careful out here, because not too far from my van I came across another one of these. And let's try this. You can probably see it better. It's a barrel cactus thorn. And they get carried around and blown around. They are not too pleasant to step on. Yep. Okay. Found this out here. Anybody know what this is? I haven't a clue. Some kind of a metal disc cylinder, and open it up, and that's what I found. Don't know. I'm also seeing lots of pennies out here. I guess the little critters are bringing me pennies to pay me back for the pineapple. That's all I can figure. Hello, Mika.